Hi, I'm Steph. Today I'm going to show you how to migrate your shared contacts and contacts labels from Floreysoft Shared Groups to shared contacts for Gmail. First, prepare a new spreadsheet in order to store your sharing settings. Then log on Floreysoft Shared Groups Manager, open the first group you want to migrate, and select all the collaborators inside this group all the way to the name of the group. Copy your selection with a Ctrl+C or right-click copy and paste it into the spreadsheet. Here, if Add to My Contact is enabled, you just need to put an X here to remember that this setting must be enabled. I delete the last columns that are not necessary, but I still have the users and their permissions. And then repeat the operation with all the shared labels that you have. So now I'm revoking access of all the collaborators from the shared group, which will remove the contacts and the labels from their Google accounts. And as the owner, I'm the only one now to have this label in my Google account. If I go on Google Contact, I can see that the group is still here for me, but it will disappear from my colleagues' accounts because I revoked their access. Then sign in to your shared contacts for Gmail dashboard. And then you will find your group with the contacts that were in that group. And then you can reshare with the same users. So here in the spreadsheet, I add a column to the right and I put a comma to every row until the last before the end. Then I select the two columns. I do a copy. I click on the share icon next to the label I want to share. I paste. And then I remove all the spaces. Click on enter. You click on share. Your first group has been shared, and you can click here to define the different sharing settings. So if I go back here, see that Alistair and Maxime are read-only. So Alistair is read-only and Maxime is read-only. Picard is edit and delete. So Picard is edit and delete, which translates to can delete in shared contacts. Sanya is edit only. Sanya is edit only. And Tic Tac is edit and delete. You may notice that there is another permission that you didn't have in Floreysoft in the shared group is can reshare. If you give can reshare, it means that the collaborator will be able to share the label with other people and manage these sharing settings. I save, and now my collaborators can access the shared label from their Google account or directly from the shared contacts for Gmail dashboard. Thank you for watching.